The World Health Organization now says it suspects human-to-human transmission occurred between close contacts on a Hantavirus cruise ship off the coast of Cape Verde. This after 2 cases were confirmed, with 5 more suspected. Now, according to the WHO, 3 people have so far died and 1 person is critically ill and 3 others have mild symptoms. Cape Verde had denied the vessel permission to dock, and Spain says it's not yet taken a decision on if it will be welcoming the cruise ship.
We know typically about hantaviruses. I just want to put this in context. Typically, the exposure and the infection comes from contact with rodents. We have seen with one of the viruses, the Andes virus, that there has been some limited human-to-human transmission. Now, I know that means different things to different people, but just to say that's really among very close contacts, which is what I'll come to your later question later, what we actually think has happened in the current context on the ship itself.
We can now go across to France 24. Sarah Moore is standing by in Madrid for us. Sarah, good afternoon to you. What more can you tell us at this hour?
Well, that's right. We heard the World Health Organization saying that we're working with the Spanish authorities, who've said that they will welcome the ship to do a full investigation, a full epidemiological investigation, a full disinfection of the ship, and a risk assessment of the passengers on board. And the World Health Organization said that that would happen when the ship travels 1,700 kilometers northeast from Cape Verde to the Spanish islands of the Canary Islands. But we've had the Spanish authorities say that there's no official confirmation yet. In fact, earlier a health ministry spokesperson said that they hadn't received an official request. Now, we've just heard on state television, we've actually heard from the government's representative on the Canary Islands saying that they will meet with the regional and local authorities of the islands to discuss this matter. And we expect them, after that meeting of about 2 o'clock Paris and local time, to make some kind of an announcement. This may be logistically very difficult, but the Spanish spokesperson on the Canary Islands, Anselmo Pestana, was saying that he felt the Canary Islands and Spain couldn't deny their cooperation with the World Health Organization. He said if they did, they would be neglecting their duty of rescuing. But it is, of course, logistically quite difficult because that hantavirus has an incubation period of up to 8 weeks. And we know that there are about 150 passengers on board of different nationalities, including Spaniards. And they, of course, would have to be assessed to make sure that the virus could be diagnosed and the people who need treatment could get it.